Day 1 of my bikepack adventure to the rolling hills of Sauerland. The journey kicked off with a beautiful climb under a bright warm sun. It was a perfect 24/7 degrees. The full route ahead of me was ambitious. 229 kilometers and 5,600 meters of elevation. Today I covered 73 of those, pushing through the heat and taking to the stunning landscapes, and enjoy every moment of the ride. But it wasn't all smooth riding. Some paths has become completely impossible, overgrown and waste out. Forced me to hike a bike and reroute more than once. At a point I even had to refill my bottles, straight from a clean mountain stream. Cold, fresh and honestly. As the evening settled in, I found a quiet spot to pitch my tent, surrounded by nature's calm. After a good night's rest, it would be an early start again, ready to take the next leg of the adventure.